Welcome to the breathtaking world of Arizona, a state that boasts some of the most stunning landscapes and attractions in the United States. From the iconic Grand Canyon, with its vast, colorful chasms carved by the Colorado River, to the serene beauty of Sedona's red rock formations, Arizona is a treasure trove of natural wonders waiting to be explored. Picture yourself standing on the rim of the Grand Canyon, gazing into the depths of this geological marvel, or hiking through the enchanting trails of the Saguaro National Park, where towering cacti reach for the sky against a backdrop of vibrant sunsets. But Arizona is not just about its famous landmarks, it's also home to hidden gems like the Antelope Canyon, where light dances through narrow sandstone passageways, creating a mesmerizing display of colors. The state's diverse ecosystems range from the arid deserts of the Sonoran to the lush forests of the Mogollon Rim, offering a unique experience for every nature lover. As you embark on this journey through Arizona, prepare to be captivated by its rich history, vibrant culture, and the warm hospitality of its people. Whether you're an adventure seeker, a photography enthusiast, or simply looking to unwind in nature, Arizona has something extraordinary to offer. Join us as we uncover the most amazing places in this remarkable state, and let the wonders of Arizona inspire your next adventure. Grand Canyon National Park. The Grand Canyon is not just a breathtaking sight, it is a geological marvel that showcases millions of years of Earth's history. Spanning over 277 miles in length and reaching depths of over a mile, this iconic canyon reveals layers of rock that tell the story of our planet's evolution. The sheer vastness of the Grand Canyon is awe-inspiring, with its intricate network of ridges, plateaus, and the mighty Colorado River winding through its depths. Visitors to the Grand Canyon can immerse themselves in a variety of activities that highlight its natural beauty. Hiking is a popular choice, with trails ranging from easy walks along the rim to challenging descents into the canyon itself. The Bright Angel Trail and South Kaibab Trail are favorites among hikers, offering stunning views and a chance to experience the canyon's diverse ecosystems up close. For those seeking adventure, rafting the Colorado River provides a thrilling way to explore the canyon from below, navigating its rapids while surrounded by towering cliffs. Photography enthusiasts will find the Grand Canyon to be a paradise, especially during sunrise and sunset when the light casts a magical glow over the landscape. Popular viewpoints like Mather Point, Yavapai Observation Station, and Hopi Point offer some of the best vistas. To truly appreciate the grandeur of the Grand Canyon, plan your visit during the early morning or late afternoon for optimal lighting and fewer crowds, ensuring an unforgettable experience in this natural wonder. Sedona's Red Rock Country. Sedona's Red Rock Country is a breathtaking landscape that captivates visitors with its unique geological features and vibrant colors. The striking red sandstone formations, shaped by millions of years of erosion, create a stunning backdrop that seems to glow under the Arizona sun. Iconic formations like Cathedral Rock, Bell Rock, and Courthouse Butte rise majestically from the earth, offering a visual feast that changes with the shifting light throughout the day. The rich hues of red, orange, and pink are not only a photographer's dream but also evoke a sense of wonder and tranquility. Outdoor enthusiasts will find Sedona to be a paradise for adventure. With an extensive network of hiking and biking trails, there are options for every skill level. Trails like the West Fork Trail and the Devil's Bridge Trail provide breathtaking views and a chance to connect with nature. For those seeking a more exhilarating experience, Jeep tours offer a thrilling ride through rugged terrain, allowing visitors to explore hidden gems and learn about the area's geology and history. Beyond its natural beauty, Sedona is also known for its vibrant art scene and wellness retreats. The town is home to numerous galleries showcasing local artists, as well as art festivals that celebrate creativity. Additionally, Sedona's reputation as a spiritual haven attracts those seeking healing and rejuvenation, with wellness retreats offering yoga, meditation, and holistic therapies. This unique blend of stunning landscapes, outdoor activities, and a thriving arts community makes Sedona's Red Rock Country a must-visit destination for all. Antelope Canyon. Antelope Canyon is a breathtaking natural wonder that captivates visitors with its mesmerizing slot canyons, renowned for their stunning light beams and wave-like structures. Carved by centuries of flash flooding and erosion, the canyon features narrow passageways that twist and turn, revealing smooth, undulating walls that shimmer in shades of orange, red, and purple. As sunlight filters through the narrow openings above, It creates ethereal light beams that dance across the canyon floor, providing a magical atmosphere that enchants photographers and nature lovers alike. The best times for photography in Antelope Canyon are during the midday hours, particularly from late March to early October, when the sun is high in the sky. This is when the light beams are most pronounced, illuminating the canyon's intricate patterns and textures. Guided tours are available, led by knowledgeable Navajo guides who share insights about the canyon's geology and history. These tours not only enhance the experience but also ensure that visitors navigate the canyon safely and respectfully. Antelope Canyon holds significant cultural importance to the Navajo Nation, as it is considered a sacred site. The Navajo people have a deep connection to the land, and visiting the canyon offers an opportunity to appreciate its beauty while honoring its cultural heritage. By exploring Antelope Canyon, visitors can immerse themselves in the stunning natural landscape while gaining a deeper understanding of the traditions and stories that shape the Navajo culture. Horseshoe Bend. Horseshoe Bend is a breathtaking natural wonder that showcases the stunning beauty of the Colorado River as it carves a unique horseshoe-shaped bend through the red rock landscape. This iconic viewpoint offers a panoramic vista that captures the river's vibrant blue waters contrasting against the warm hues of the surrounding sandstone cliffs. The dramatic backdrop of towering rock formations and expansive skies creates a picturesque setting that leaves visitors in awe of nature's artistry. Reaching Horseshoe Bend is an easy and rewarding experience, as it involves a short hike of approximately 1.5 miles round trip from the parking area. The well-maintained trail is accessible for visitors of all ages and fitness levels, making it a popular destination for families and outdoor enthusiasts alike. As you approach the viewpoint, anticipation builds, culminating in a breathtaking reveal of the canyon and river below. For photography enthusiasts, capturing the perfect shot at Horseshoe Bend is a must, especially during sunset when the colors of the landscape come alive. The golden hour casts a warm glow over the canyon, enhancing the rich reds and oranges of the rock formations while creating a magical reflection on the water. Whether you're an avid photographer or simply looking to soak in the beauty of this natural wonder, Horseshoe Bend promises an unforgettable experience that will leave you with lasting memories and stunning images to cherish. Saguaro National Park. Saguaro National Park is a remarkable destination that showcases the iconic saguaro cactus, a symbol of the American Southwest. These towering giants can grow to be over 40 feet tall and live for more than 150 years, making them a vital part of the desert ecosystem. The saguaro cactus not only provides shelter and food for various wildlife but also plays a crucial role in the cultural heritage of the region, representing resilience and endurance in the harsh desert environment. Visitors to Saguaro National Park can explore a variety of hiking trails that wind through the stunning landscape, offering opportunities to witness the beauty of the cacti up close. Trails like the Signal Hill Trail and the Freeman Homestead Trail provide scenic views and a chance to encounter diverse wildlife, including roadrunners, jackrabbits, and various bird species. The park is a haven for nature lovers and photographers alike, with each trail revealing unique perspectives of the majestic saguaros and the surrounding desert flora. One of the park's most enchanting features is its breathtaking sunsets, where the sky transforms into a canvas of vibrant colors, casting a warm glow over the cacti. As night falls, Saguaro National Park becomes a stargazer's paradise, with clear skies revealing a dazzling display of stars. Whether you're hiking during the day or soaking in the beauty of the night sky, Saguaro National Park offers an unforgettable experience that celebrates the wonders of the desert ecosystem. Petrified Forest National Park. Petrified Forest National Park is a captivating destination that showcases the unique beauty of petrified wood and the colorful badlands of the Painted Desert. The park's stunning petrified wood dates back over 200 million years, originating from ancient trees that fell during the late Triassic period. Over time, these trees were buried by sediment and transformed into vibrant, mineral-rich fossils, creating a breathtaking display of colors and patterns that continue to intrigue visitors today. Exploring the park offers a variety of scenic drives and hiking trails that allow guests to immerse themselves in its natural wonders. The park's main road, the Petrified Forest Road, provides access to numerous viewpoints and trailheads, including the popular Blue Mesa and Crystal Forest trails. These trails lead visitors through fields of petrified wood, where they can witness the intricate details of the fossilized trees and learn about their fascinating history. One of the park's most striking features is the painted desert, known for its vibrant colors that range from deep reds and purples to soft pinks and yellows. The interplay of light and shadow across the landscape creates a mesmerizing spectacle, especially during sunrise and sunset when the colors come alive. Whether you're hiking through the Badlands or driving along the scenic routes, Petrified Forest National Park offers a unique opportunity to connect with ancient history while marveling at the stunning beauty of nature. In conclusion, Arizona is a treasure trove of natural wonders, offering a remarkable diversity of landscapes and experiences that cater to every type of adventurer. From the breathtaking vistas of the Grand Canyon to the enchanting red rock formations of Sedona, each destination showcases the unique beauty that Arizona has to offer. The mesmerizing slot canyons of Antelope Canyon and the iconic saguaro cacti of Saguaro National Park further highlight the state's rich geological history and vibrant ecosystems. Whether you're hiking through the stunning trails, capturing the perfect sunset, or immersing yourself in the local culture, Arizona invites you to explore its amazing places and create your own unforgettable adventures. The opportunities for discovery are endless, and each visit promises new experiences and memories to cherish. We encourage you to embark on your journey through Arizona and uncover the wonders that await. If you enjoyed this exploration of Arizona's breathtaking landscapes, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with fellow travel enthusiasts. Your support helps us continue to bring you more exciting travel content and inspire others to discover the beauty of our world. So pack your bags, hit the road, and let Arizona's wonders ignite your sense of adventure.